How to set up Brevo in 2024. In this video, we're going to be setting up our Brevo account in 2024, and it is the most easiest steps to go through with, and I'm going to be taking you with me. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the onboarding section once you've created an account. And what you're going to do is you're going to add in your first name, last name, add in your company name. And if you have a website, add it. If you don't, just go with I don't have a website and click on continue. From here, you're simply going to add in your address, click on continue again. And now it's going to ask you how many people are on your team and how many contacts do you need to have. Do you sell online? I'm going to go with yes. And once we do that, simply go ahead with continue. Now it's going to go ahead and ask your phone number as well. So make sure to add that for them as well. And simply go with send verification code. Now, once you've done that, Brevo is going to send a verification code straight to your phone number that you have provided them. And as soon as you reach the code, you're going to add it over here, and that should fully set up your Brevo account. So basically, that's the main idea of it. That is how you're going to be using Brevo for, setting up. And that is the main idea of how you're going to be setting up your Brevo account. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.